ame baihun sya kharbi naga St. Paul's Higher Secondary School Marbisu batu agadip saha private candidate kilalong ki arngot kibala Lam Khmat haka result SSLC kibala permana daga embos menta kasih ka spotarik ujeliu arajar arpuar kini ki arngot ki Lam Khmat na pedang ki babun ki Samla puli ki belawan haka kadan ke ba iwai hadu arpungot kan kom kini result kalau permana menta kasih na UI baki babun ki kena habar haman laki position adu iwai hadu arpo ki dana hadu ar na ni laingot ka ba pen I bakan ka result menta kasnam ka baha.
My name is Mirang Mankrao Karma. I am the second rank holder of the SSLC 2022. The preparations, they started right from the beginning of the academic year. So yes, during those months we have to come to school. There is offline, sorry. Then after a few months the lockdown again came and then we have to sit at home. But one thing that I'm very grateful to God is that even though it is online, but He helped me to compromise with that situation in life. So after this, I will have to continue my higher secondary in here in St. Anthony's for arts stream. Then my future plan, my aim in life is to clear the UPSC examination.
Ringkat bakan deka result jangka matrik dan deka SSLC lapar menaru ia ka result jangka higher secondary school living certificate dan deka result class 12 hak arts. Katum ka result ka bala permana lai I baka school auxilium kawin ki school ke hanang ba Shalong ke bala thama kari kawin ki school ke bala pau ha mat ke bala wan Khmat.
My heartiest congratulations to Bahun Lang and Rilako. We are so proud of you and they have made us proud today. The credit of success goes to them. The management and the teachers, we work so hard, of course, no doubt, but they cooperate with us so well and they deserve this success. Little bit about this too. Bahun Lang was the school captain and Rila Ako was the school vice captain, the student leaders of our school. They did so wonderfully well during the school years and the mantra of their success because they did well in everything they were asked to do in the school. The small and the big thing, equally they keep importance. And these two, they were so focused in their studies. So focused, nothing could distract them from achieving their goals. So we are proud of them.
So tell me, what's the feel right now?
When I came to Mumbai, I got second position. It's a great joy for me, for my teachers, my parents and the entire family. So I feel satisfied, happy and blessed.
We all know this time around it was very difficult for the students, especially due to COVID, online, offline classes and all of that. So how did you prepare yourself? Did it affect you in any way, all these things?
Because we are the COVID batch, as they say, but because of the help of the teachers, we are able to, to take the online classes. It has been work hand in hand with the teachers, so it's not that difficult. If you are willing to give your best in whatever difficulties you face, you'll be able to do it.
Okay, so you have set an example for many of your juniors. What would you like to tell them?
The only thing that I would like to tell them is do your best in every field of your life. If your capacity is to get 70, 75 or 80, do your best. That's okay. Success doesn't mean you have to get in top 20, but it means that you are able to get what you are capable of doing. And also quality over quantity. When you study, it is not the quantity that matters, but if you study for only 1 or 2 hours also, but if you put your full heart and your full concentration, then that will help you a lot.
Lai I rubah ka result jangka matrik ki babun ki Samla puli try jela ki lawan haka top 20 dan ka kadan ka iwai hadu arfau kamtam ki school ki badan syaki jaka nong kentong. Susu abala sim kelum kat kum ka jengkhain ki bala ai de ka embos ki district ki mahap apoka RiKhasi Janta Hills ki la khamle akhamha banyak ki district ki badan support lirlum Karo Hills. Napalagi district baro katkom kapas percentage la yui baka Eastern West Khasel district kabalonga district kabathama e kalawan hakabenta kabahman namar kalayo ahadu khandai penri plus percent kabalonga jingpas lani kapas percentage kabatam nabaro ke district nagaliang ka RiKhasi channel kala leit bandung sikit school ki belawan bah akan ke exam bakliyo banyak kerenru baki kena school ki belawan Khmat berkem diuru baki buat punya school.
Our hearts once again are burst with exuberance on the quality result our students have achieved. We first of all wish to thank God for having blessed all of us, blessed our students, teachers and the school. And at the same time, I also wish to congratulate to the students who have come up and bring good results to the school. We've secured 4 rank holders in the SSLC and 3 rank holders in the art stream. And actually we didn't expect so much that this result will be good for our school. But I wish to congratulate all the teachers and the students for maintaining this consistency of the school and the good results. And we look forward in the next year and the year to come, we will swipe every top from top to bottom. Hopefully that we will move towards the target. Our aim is always to achieve good results and strive for excellence.
We are happy that the result is better this year compared to last year. If, in fact, in the last 2-3 years, this year is better. For example, in the secondary school living certificate, this year is 56.96%, whereas last year it was 52.90%. So there is an increase of 4% from the previous years. And when we look at the pass percentage of higher secondary also, this year 81.17%, but last year it was 74.34%. So we have seen that though in spite of COVID, the teachers as well as the parents as well as the students, they really work very hard. They work very hard because they understand that working hard is the only way to be success in the exams, to pass the exam. So we feel that this year, in spite of all these challenges, the students are doing well compared to previous years. And here I would like to thank everybody from the police department, from the district administration, from all the functionaries who have really worked very hard. You know, the officer in charge of the exam centers, the custodians, and then everybody. They are really worked very hard. That's why we could announce the result today. Though this year we have conducted the exams a bit late compared to the normal years because of the COVID situation. But we are very happy that we declared the result today, and we hope that the student, those successful students, now they will understand where will they go for their, where will they go for the future studies and all these things.